This apple pie melts in your mouth. Everybody wants to know the recipe. I will start by putting 3 eggs in a container and I will stir well. This recipe is amazing. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will add 150 grams of sugar and 100 grams of melted butter in the container along with the eggs, and I will stir everything very well again for all the ingredients to mix. Then I'll add a cup of milk and stir it once more. This recipe is amazing. It will surprise you. Now I will sift 300 grams of wheat flour and I will mix again. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Junalyn Malabot from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Done this, I will add a tablespoon of baking powder and I will stir one last time. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe for dessert with apple. I would love to know. After making the dough of our recipe, I will get 3 apples. It is the main ingredient of our recipe. Then I will cut them into small pieces, this way, careful not to hurt yourself. Done this, I will transfer the cut apples to the dough I made earlier and I will stir one last time for the apples to mix well in the dough. Now, I'm going to get a pan greased with butter and flour and then I'm going to transfer our recipe. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried. Now I do not stop doing. Finally, I will take to the oven in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Past time is ready. Our recipe. I will disinform and sift a little sugar over our recipe and leave delicious, leaves extremely beautiful. This recipe is amazing. The best of it is that besides being delicious is very easy to do. Done, this is ready. Our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. My friends always ask me to teach how to do it. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. This recipe is amazing. It's quick, easy, there are few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.